Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss how to use break in the while loop. Okay. Now, let us discuss one program here. Suppose I want to write a program to display natural number from 1 to 10 using while loop. Okay. So, if we want to display natural number from 1 to 10, then initially here we have to display one variable. Okay. I'm assigning value for that as 1. So, using while loop, I want to write program means here we have to write while keyword, and in front of we have to write condition like up to 10 we have to display, so less than equal to 10 we can write. Okay, and then you have to just print value of I. Okay, now after printing value of I, not I here, actually we have used variable n. Okay, so print value of n. Okay, and then here we have to write increment condition as well. So here we have to write it like this: n is equal to n plus 1. Okay, now when we execute this program, what will happen? Initially this line will be executed, so value of n will become 1, then control will be on while. So 1 less than equal to 10, true, come inside, so it will print value of n as 1, and it will just add 1 in n, so new value of n will become 2, and again control will be on condition. So this time 2 less than equal to 10, true, it will just print 2. Okay, and so on. So last value of n in this case will be 10. 10 less than equal to 10, true, it will just print n as 10, and new value of n will become 11. So 11 less than equal to 10, that type condition will be false. So this program has to display output, and that output must be natural number from 1 to 10. See here we are getting natural number from 1 to 10. Okay, now see, in our previous video we have already discussed that how to use break in for. Okay, now here I want to use break within while. Okay, now here see, if use of break we have already discussed in our previous video. So break, as I said earlier, it is used to stop execution of iterative control statement. So here we are using break to stop execution of while. So here if I write if within this condition like n is equal to 4. Okay, I'm writing code initially, later on we'll discuss its use. Okay, break, and like this. Okay, now see what will happen in this case: n 1 less than 10, true. Now come inside, if is in the body of while, so it will just check this condition: 1 is equal to 4, condition false. If this condition is false, then break will not be executed, because we know that body of if will be executed only if this condition is true. But at first iteration value of n is 1 and 1 equal to 4, so this condition is false, so break will not be executed. So it will just print value of n as 1 and new value of n will become 2. So 2 again 2 equal to 4, this condition will not be executed, so break will not be executed, it will just print value of n as 2. Now when value of n will become 4, at that time see what will happen: 4 equal to 4, condition true. Okay, means come inside and it will just execute a break, and use of break we know that it will just stop execution. So what output we are expecting here of this program is it has to display number from 1 to 3 only, because when value of n is 4, it is just going to stop its execution. Okay, let us discuss, let us verify output of this program as well. See here we are getting value of n as 1 2 3, even here we are writing condition as n less than equal to 10. Okay, because when n is equal to 4, at that time we call break, and that's why further iterations are not executed in this case. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point, how to use break in the while control statement in Python. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.